Okay, we skipped page 5 because that was actually a dupe of another problem. And this brings me to another problem that I really liked on this test. I had one student come up with a very elegant answer. So I'm going to do her answer first. I was very impressed with it. Shanna, if you're watching this, it was Shanna in my second period class. So, S-T-U. She got the correct answer. And she did it in an interesting way. She said, if I draw a straight line up and down, those are going to be 90 degrees, because she knew these two lines were parallel. And I also know I just made a pentagon. So I'll call this X. So she added all of these up and made sure they added up to 140. So she said 100 plus 90 plus 90 plus 140 plus X equals 540. Now, how did I know 540 for a pentagon? I happen to know that one because it's so common, but also you could have done the n minus 2 times 180 formula if you had forgotten. 5 minus 2 times 180 is 540. Another interesting way another student has solved this one is he drew a line down in here and he did a triangle to find the missing angles. That was also very interesting, Michael. But I'm going to show a different method, which is probably a little simpler than that triangle method. So right now, I had 3 different solutions. So what I did is I did my best to draw a parallel line from here to here. So I turn this into 2 parallel line problems. This angle and this angle are same side interior angles, so they have to be supplementary. And I can just eyeball this and say, oh, that's 40 degrees, because 40 plus 140 is 180. If that's 100, then this one right here has to be 80. They want to know this whole angle, so it's just 80 plus 40 equals 120. So I really enjoyed this answer, and I like this answer, and I did like the triangle answer too. Very impressed with my kids at times. All right, next problem on this page. OX is the bisector of this angle. So what that tells me is this angle equals that angle. OY is the bisector of this angle, XOZ. So that tells me these two angles, as they are drawn, are congruent. They tell me that YOZ is 26.5, and they want to know this whole angle. Well, if these two are congruent, that means this angle's 53 degrees. Remember, this is a bisector. So that means it cut in half. Half's over here, half's over here. So if that's 53, that's 53. They want to know the whole angle right here. It's just 53 plus 53, or 106 degrees. There you go.